The year was 2023. The world watched as former President Donald Trump took to the stage, a familiar glint in his eye. He wasn't there to announce a new hotel or a reality TV show. This time, it was about American military might. Trump revealed that Boeing had won the coveted contract for the F-47 NGAD, a next-generation fighter jet. This wasn't just another defense deal. This was about securing American air dominance for decades to come. The NGAD, short for Next Generation Air Dominance, represented a leap forward in air combat technology. At its heart was the F-47, a fighter jet designed to outmaneuver, outgun, and outsmart any adversary. Trump, known for his bold pronouncements, declared the F-47 the most powerful, most advanced fighter jet the world has ever seen. The stakes were high. China's own next-generation fighter, the J-20, had already taken to the skies. Russia was hot on its heels with the Su-57. The F-47 NGAD was America's answer, a symbol of technological prowess and a commitment to maintaining its edge in the skies. The announcement sent ripples across the globe. Allies breathed a sigh of relief. Adversaries took note. The world of military aviation was about to change forever. The F-47 wasn't just an upgrade, it was a clean break from the past, a radical departure from traditional fighter jet design. The NGAD program, with the F-47 at its core, aimed to redefine air combat for the 21st century. The F-47 was designed to operate in a battle space saturated with sensors and long-range missiles. Stealth was paramount. The aircraft's sleek blended wing-body design minimized its radar signature, making it incredibly difficult to detect. But the F-47 wasn't just about evading detection. It was about delivering overwhelming firepower. Internal weapons bays carried a range of advanced missiles, including hypersonic weapons capable of striking targets at incredible speeds. The F-47 was more than a fighter jet, it was a flying command center. Advanced sensors and networking capabilities allowed it to share real-time battlefield data with other aircraft and ground units, creating an unprecedented level of situational awareness. The F-47 was the embodiment of the NGAD program's vision, a networked, highly survivable, and incredibly lethal weapon system. The competition for the NGAD contract was fierce. Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing, titans of the aerospace industry, all vied for the prize. In the end, it was Boeing that emerged victorious. Boeing's proposal stood out for its innovative design, technological maturity, and a compelling cost-benefit analysis. The company leveraged its decades of experience in building some of the world's most advanced aircraft, including the F-15 Eagle and the F/A-18 Super Hornet, but Boeing didn't rely solely on its past successes. The company invested heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of stealth technology, propulsion systems, and advanced materials. Boeing's engineers worked tirelessly to create an aircraft that exceeded the demanding requirements of the NGAD program. The decision to award the contract to Boeing was not without controversy. Some critics argued that the selection process favored the established giant over smaller, more agile competitors. Others questioned whether Boeing could deliver on its ambitious promises. But the die was cast. Boeing had won the contract, and the future of American air power was in its hands. A new breed of dominance unveiling the F-47's capabilities. The F-47 NGAD was designed to be a game-changer, an aircraft that could dominate the skies in an era of rapidly evolving threats. Its capabilities went far beyond those of any previous fighter jet. Stealth was paramount. The F-47's design incorporated advanced composite materials and radar-absorbent coatings to minimize its radar cross-section. Its internal weapons bays further reduced its detectability, allowing it to operate undetected deep within enemy territory. The F-47 was not just stealthy, it was fast. Powered by a revolutionary adaptive cycle engine, the aircraft could achieve supersonic speeds without the use of afterburners, allowing it to sustain high speeds for extended periods. Its high-altitude capabilities allowed it to operate above the reach of most enemy air defenses. Perhaps the F-47's most significant advantage lay in its adaptability. Designed with an open architecture system, the aircraft could be easily upgraded with new technologies and weapons systems as they became available. This ensured that the F-47 would remain at the forefront of air combat technology for decades to come. Powering supremacy. The F-47's propulsion prowess. At the heart of the F-47's performance was its revolutionary propulsion system. Unlike traditional jet engines, the F-47's adaptive cycle engine could seamlessly switch between high-thrust mode for maximum power and high-efficiency mode for extended range. This innovative engine gave the F-47 a significant advantage over its rivals, including China's J-20, which relied on older, less efficient engine technology. The F-47's engine allowed it to reach supersonic speeds faster and sustain them longer, giving it the upper hand in any engagement. The adaptive cycle engine was also more fuel efficient than previous generations of jet engines. This meant that the F-47 could fly farther and stay airborne longer, reducing its reliance on aerial refueling and extending its operational reach. The F-47's engine was a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to American ingenuity, and a key factor in its dominance over the skies. Legacy and design. The meaning behind the medal. The choice of the name F-47 for the NGAP fighter jet was a deliberate one, laden with symbolism and historical significance. It harked back to the legendary P-47 Thunderbolt, a workhorse of the U.S. Army Air Forces during World War II. The P-47 Thunderbolt, nicknamed the Jug, was known for its rugged reliability, its devastating firepower, and its critical role in securing Allied victory in Europe. By naming the NGAP fighter jet F-47, the program sought to invoke the spirit of its famous predecessor. The F-47's design also paid homage to its namesake. While the sleek, futuristic lines of the F-47 were a far cry from the P-47's bulky frame, certain design elements, such as the large bubble canopy for enhanced pilot visibility, were carried over. The F-47, like the P-47 before it, was a symbol of American air power, a testament to the country's enduring commitment to maintaining its military edge.